Now coming to the fifth state, this is also a final item. This is also a final item, right? So S implies A dot, which is the first production, nothing but R1, nothing but R1. So where should I write this R1? Where should I write this R1? I should write only under the look ahead symbol of this state. What is the look ahead symbol of this state? Dollar, right? So write this R1 only under the look ahead symbol of state 5. Now coming to the 6, I6, again there are different edges are moving out. There are 3 edges, capital A, small a and small b, which are terminals. A and B are terminals and capital A is a non-terminal. Now upon reading the capital A, it is moving to 9, right? So write down for the 6th state under the A symbol, write down 9. Reading the non-terminal that is small a, it is directed towards to the same state, that is I6 only. So this is under A, S6. Okay. Reading B, it is moving to I7, nothing but S7. Nothing but S7. Okay. I6 is completed. Now coming to the I7, here again there is a final item. When the dot presents at the rightmost position, this is called a final item. A implies B is the third production, nothing but R3. Where should I keep this R3 now? Under the look ahead symbol of the states. Okay. In I7, the look ahead symbol is dollar. So I should keep R3 under the dollar. Only look ahead symbols. Okay. Now coming to I8. This is also a final item. A implies small a, capital A. The look aheads are A and B. So A implies small a, capital A is the second production, that is R2. Where should I keep? Under A and B. So R2 I should keep under A and B. Right? Now coming to the last state, that is I9. Here also this is a second state, second production. A implies A dot, final item under the dollar. Look ahead, that is second production, that is nothing but R2. I should keep under the dollar. Okay. So keep this R2. Now this is the CLR1 parsing table. Okay. If you observe here, if you observe the DFD carefully, the LA-LR1 and CLR1 also almost similar. If you observe here, I3 and I6 are similar. The LR0 items, that is I3 and I6, these two are similar with respect to the LR0 items. Okay, I3 and I6. Okay. Now if you see here, I4 and I7, these two are also same with respect to the LR0 items, that is I4 and I7. These two are also same. Okay. Now the last one, if you see I8 and I9, the LR0 items are same. So I8 and I9, both states are same. Okay. Now you should keep this in mind. I3 and I6 are same. I4 and I7 are same. I8 and I9 are same. Okay. So this is a CLR parsing table. CLR1 parsing table. Now we will see how to construct a LA-LR1 parsing table. Okay, only the slight difference, we are going to combine the states here. Seen how to construct a CLR1 parsing table. Now we will see how to construct an LA-LR1 parsing table. As I told you before, the step 1 and step 2 are same for CLR1 and LA-LR1. Okay, only the step 3 only differs slightly for these two different parsers. Okay, so this is actually a CLR parsing table which we got. But if you observe here, we have derived that I3 and I6 are same, I4 and I7 are same, and I8 and I9 are same. What I am going to do in LA-LR1 is, I am going to combine these two states, that is I36, I47 and I89. I89 means wherever you find the number 3 or 6, make this as a 3, 6. Okay. Wherever you find 4 or 7, just convert this as a 4, 7. 8 or 9, convert this as the 8, 9. Remember that. Whenever you find a number, these two numbers differently, that is the state 3 and state 6 separately, then write down as a 36. 4 or 7 combine as 47, 8 or 9 combinedly 89. Now, how to convert this CLR table into LA-LR1 table is very simple. Here if you see S3, so make this as S36, 36, 4, 47, because 4 and 7 are similar. This one also S6, right? This also you should convert into 36. This also you should convert into S47. Okay, this is S36, 47. Don't disturb the reduce mouse. Okay, except the reduce mouse, the remaining things we have to convert it. Here also this becomes 36. This is 36, 47, 47. What else remaining? Here also 36, 47. This is 89, 89. Here also 89, 89. Anything is left over? I think we have converted everything, right? Because as the state 3 and state 6 are same, I just combine these two as I36, single state, right? 4 and 7 are same, I have converted this into a single state 47. 8 and 9 are same, converted this as 89 state. Okay. Now we will see the final table of LA-LR1 after I change the names, after I change the numbers like this. Now how the LA-LR1 parsing table will look like, the final output will be, we will see now. Now if you see here, I have combined the states. So here, as I'm having the same states, that is 36, I make it as a single state here. 47 make it as a single state, and 89 also make it as a single state. Okay. Now what about the contents inside this? So this becomes S47, accept. Okay. What are the states we combine, that we will see now. Yes, 47. Now see here, state 3 and state 6 are combined. State 3 is having S36, S47, S36, S47. Okay, and also 89, So I will combine, I will make it as a single value, that is S36, S47 and 89 is under A. Okay. I have also combined 4 and 7. This is the fourth state before it was, before I changed the name. R3 and R3 under A and B, and in this seventh state R3 under dollar, R3 under dollar. So when I combine these two, this R3 will goes up, that is R3, R3 and R3. Okay. Fifth state I did not combine, I should write as it is, that is R1 under dollar. Now again I have combined 8 and 9. R2 is under A and B in 8th state. In the 9th state, R2 is under the dollar. So I will move this R2 to the upwards. So if you observe, there are no conflicts. Okay, when I combining, there are no conflicts. Okay, either they are having a duplicate values or they are having some empty values, so that I can fit the remaining values here. Okay, now, so here this I have removed, this I have shifted to the upwards, this I have shifted to the upwards. Okay, now see here, this is the final output of LALR1 table, LALR1 parsing table. Okay, so the number of states are reduced, when compared to the CLR1 parsing table. Okay, so this is how the LALR1 parsing table should be constructed. Okay, thank you.